Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited. There are a ton of amazing deals going on at CVS next week using printable coupons, using some digital coupons. We're getting a ton of digital coupons. So stay tuned. There's a lot of beginner-friendly deals that anyone can do, even if you don't plan on buying the inserts. Of course, we are going to be going over a couple updates, what inserts we're getting, if it's worth it to buy the inserts, the whole 9 yards. And of course, if you are new to my channel, please take a second and hit the red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. It's completely free to subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on any future content, ways that you can save hundreds of dollars every single month. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Coupon inserts, we are only getting one insert. However, we are getting a ton of great coupons in that insert. We're getting CoverGirl coupons, Cetaphil coupons, Bic Razor coupons, Renew coupons, BioTrue, you name it. Literally so many great coupons. So I do recommend grabbing some inserts, either getting them in the Sunday newspaper or ordering them online. I always order them online through BQ. I already placed my order, that way I can get them early. I usually order around Tuesday or Wednesday, just depending when she puts them up on her website. So definitely check that out if you guys do want to order. A lot of people still ask me, is it worth it to pay for coupons to save money? Yes, because in this video, just this video alone, which is one haul, you can grab $50 worth of products and pay only $3.10 using some of these coupons from inserts. So if you don't have those coupons, you wouldn't be able to do those deals. That's why it's always 100% of the time worth it to buy coupons. Whether you buy them online or you buy them in a newspaper, you're still going to be spending a little bit of money, but you're always going to make it back tenfold if you put them to use and you do some of the couponing deals that are available, whether it's at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, you name it, Target, Kroger, so many places that you can use these coupons and save a lot of money. So definitely consider ordering them if you want. I use BQ. My code is BREE10. You'll get 10% off your first order, okay? Here are some updates. My 3-day couponing workshop, I did move it forward a day. So now it's going to start on Tuesday, January 11th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Day 2 is going to be Wednesday, the 12th at 7 p.m. And on Thursday, the 13th, it's going to be 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't forget, all of the classes that I'm doing live will be recorded. So every single person, whether you can make the live, whether you can't make the live, you will be able to get the recording so you can watch them and rewatch them whenever you want. So everyone is going to be able to get that. So if you're struggling with paying way too much out of pocket, paying $30, $40, $50 every time you go couponing, you are definitely leaving some savings on the table that you could put towards whatever your financial goals are for this year. So imagine going from $30 every time you go couponing to $10 every time you go couponing. That right there will save you another 66% in your pocket. So that is one of my big things that I teach. I'm always a big fan of keeping a low out of pocket. So if you want to learn how to coupon, my tips, my tricks, my strategies for saving money, definitely consider joining that couponing workshop. It will be linked below in the description box. I also have a free webinar if you struggle with how to find deals. That is the first part, right? You got the coupons, you know how to use the coupons, but where are the deals? How do you find them? I put together a free webinar to show you exactly the steps that I take when I'm putting together these deals in this video that you guys are watching, or when I put together my hauls, when I actually go to CVS. It's the same steps that I take every week, so I share those with you in that free webinar. It is linked below in the description box, or you guys can always find my products, services, freebies, all of that on my website, BreeCouponQueen.com. At the top, you're going to click shop, and then you can click the free CVS webinar, okay? Okay, let's talk about some amazing deals. Here is a great deal on cereal. So cereal, I think, is extremely expensive. It's like $5 a box. Even at Walmart, they're pretty expensive. So here's an amazing deal if you like General Mills and Kellogg's. What you can do is grab 2 of them for $1.99 each. We do have a $1 off 2 coupon from our 1-2 inserts. We may have a digital available as well. We'll have to double check. Then your final cost is going to be just $1.49 for a box of cereal, which I would personally say is definitely a stock up price. Here is an easy freebie. Every single person can get this deal. What I want you to do real quick, in the description box, there is a link for new printable coupons. This coupon is available right now to print, but you have to print it now. We don't know if it's going to still be available come Sunday for the following week. I just printed this today as I was putting together this video, and the expiration date isn't until January 15th. But again, that coupon could be taken down at any minute. So what you're going to do is grab 2 Garnier fruit teas for $7. Use 2 $1 off 1 printable coupons. Then you're going to use the $1 off 2 instant coupon. Everyone is going to get this. You can either print it at the red box inside of CVS, or it'll be available on the CVS app. You'll pay $4, get back a $4 Extrabuck, makes your final cost completely free. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me if you enjoy this video so far, and if you're excited about grabbing some free products next week at CVS. That's not the only freebie either, so stay tuned. I have a lot more for you. Here is one of them. Colgate is buy 2, get a $4 Extrabuck, limit of 2. Now, if you are not getting a ton of CRTs like myself, fingers crossed that changes this week, so I will let you guys know on Sunday if I have service. I'm going on a little vacation to the Virgin Islands, so depending on if there's roaming or Wi-Fi or what I can do, I'm going to try to post exactly what CRTs I got. Fingers crossed that we all get some good ones. Even if not, typically people were getting the generic CRTs for 4 off of 25 oral care. If you have that CRT right now, make sure you either print it or send it to your card. That way it doesn't disappear Saturday at midnight, and you can use it next week. So I have an amazing deal for you later in this video, which is going to be a $4 moneymaker. So Colgate, you're going to grab 2 toothpaste. They're $3.99 each. We have a $2 digital coupon and $2 coupons from our 1-2 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $4 Extrabuck, makes them both completely free. So right now, every single person can get 4 products free, which is amazing. Cetaphil. Definitely excited about this deal. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deal is or what deals you guys look for so I can make sure I can try to include them in these videos. What you can do is grab 2 of the Cetaphil cleansers for $10.79 each. Now, what you want to do is make sure, of course, they're included. Now, it does say any Cetaphil. So what you want to do, because it is a spend 20, get an $8 Extrabuck, you want to make sure that your total for product value is either $20 on the nose or more if your store does not follow the 98% rule. So grabbing 2 of these, you're at $21.58, so you're good to go. We have a 5 off 2 coupon coming, which is an amazing coupon. So that's coming in our 1-9 Smart Source. Another reason why I really think you guys should get inserts for this Sunday. Check to see if you have a 4 off 20 facial care CRT. Sometimes they'll float around some Cetaphil CRTs. So double check and see what you can have to make this deal even better. You'll pay $12.58, get back an $8 Extrabuck. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. That makes your final cost 58 cents for 2 of them, or 29 cents for some Cetaphil cleanser, which is incredible. That's literally like a 99% savings. I don't even know what the percent is, but to go from $10.79 to 29 cents, totally doing this deal next week. I'm so excited. And it's an Ibotta rebate. So if you have a weekend warrior bonus or something that you're working towards, then you'll be good to go on that, and this can help you reach that bonus. Pampers. I always like to throw in some deals on diapers. They are so expensive. I know there's a lot of mamas and new moms coming about that watch my channel and need to stock up on diapers. So what you can do is grab 2 Pampers for $22. They are spend 20, get a $5 Extrabuck. This one is a limit of 1. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 packs for $22. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Then check to see if you have a 4 off of 20 baby CRT or diaper CRT. You are then gonna pay just $15 out of pocket, get back a $5 Extrabuck, makes your final cost $10 for two bags of diapers, which is an amazing price to get a bag for $5. Even at Walmart, they're like $8 or $9 a bag. So you're still saving more money. And if you're paying with Extrabucks, paying with gift cards, like I always tell you guys, this could be even cheaper out of pocket. Okay, here is pretty much the same deal that I posted last week, but this time it's gonna be a huge moneymaker. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 Colgate mouthwash for $4.49 each. Then you're gonna grab 2 toothbrushes, which is part of the same deal, buy 2, get a 5. Then you're gonna grab 2 toothpaste. So that's gonna bring your total to $25.94. We have a mouthwash digital, a toothpaste digital. Then you're gonna use a toothpaste coupon from the 1-2 Smart Source, a mouthwash coupon from the 1-2 Smart Source, and 2 $2 toothbrush coupons from the 1-2 Smart Source. All of those coupons are a limit of 2, so you're good to go. We're following all of the coupon limits here. Use the 4 off 25 oral care. You'll pay $9.94, but then you're gonna get back a $4 Extrabuck for the toothpaste and a $10 Extrabuck because you did the deal that you see in the top right. You did that deal twice in one transaction. So instead of getting 2 $5 Extrabucks, you'll get 1 $10 Extrabuck. That makes your cost free and a $4.06 moneymaker, which is incredible. So excited about that. Okay, wanted to throw this deal in there for you. We don't always get a ton of great deals on contact solution. And if you wear contacts, you gotta buy solution. So here is a great deal. Grab one of the BioTrue or Renew, doesn't matter. We have $6 off 1 coupons coming in our 1-9 Smart Source insert. So now you're gonna pay just $9.99 out of pocket, get back a $2 Extrabuck, makes it $7.99 for a 2-pack, or about $3.99 per bottle, which is still an amazing deal. So if you need this, definitely stock up while you can. Crest Scope, I'm super excited about this deal because this deal we've been getting for a while since last year. So the inflation hasn't affected this particular deal right now, which I'm really happy about. So what you can do is grab a Crest Scope. Anyone can do this deal. We're using a digital coupon. So very, very beginner friendly. Grab one, use the $1 digital. You'll pay $3.79. Then you're gonna get back a $3 Extrabuck that's gonna print on your receipt. Your final cost is 79 cents. This is the mouthwash that I particularly like, so I'm definitely gonna be doing this deal next week. All right, let's get into these transactions. So transaction 1 is the same one that I showed you guys for last week. You're gonna do the oral care deal, okay, for the 4 off 25 oral care. So what you're gonna do is be paying $9.94 plus tax out of pocket. If you don't have any Fetch Rewards gift cards or points to be able to get gift cards, then you can use Flues and grab 2 $10 gift cards. If you have vouchers available, if you need vouchers or if you're new to Flues, my link is below in the description box. It's Bree Coupon Queen 21. So when you get signed up, you're gonna get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. You can use 2 of those vouchers for CVS. So you're gonna buy 1 $10 gift card and 1 $10 gift card, okay? Do it in $10 increments. Just trust me on that. You'll get the most back when you do it that way. Okay, so now those are digital gift cards. The cashier's gonna scan it right from your phone and it's gonna cover the cost. Now you're gonna get back a $10 Extrabuck and a $4 Extrabuck. Transaction 2, you can grab the Garnier and the Cetaphil. Then you are going to use $11 in coupons. You'll pay $17.58 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're going to use the $14 in Extrabucks from the first transaction. Now you're only left to pay $3.58 plus tax out of pocket with that same second Flues gift card, or if you have a Fetch Rewards gift card, you're going to use the same gift card. You'll get back an $8 Extrabuck, a $1 Extrabuck, and you're submitting your receipt to Ibotta, giving you back $4 for the Cetaphil. So here's the final cost breakdown. You're still gonna have about $5 left over on your second Flu's gift card if that's the route that you went. Plus the $4 cash back from Ibotta. You paid $20. Your now final cost, cash cost, is $3.10, and that includes taxes for over $54 worth of products, which is incredible. Or if you used a Fetch Rewards gift card, it cost you nothing, and you got back $4 cash, so it would be a $4 cash moneymaker. So that is what I do every single week when I coupon at CVS. That's how I'm able to save hundreds of dollars every single week and every single month, okay? If you guys have any questions, definitely drop a comment. If you want to learn how to coupon better and how to keep your out-of-pocket low, how to put together your transactions like I showed you in this video, the why behind it, which ones to do first, which ones to do second, the whole 9 yards, definitely consider joining my 3-day couponing workshop. We're going to be deep diving into all of these things so you can learn how to coupon the right way and be able to save hundreds of dollars every month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.